Did you know that becoming more productive can have a positive impact on your life? What if you could get more done in less time while staying calm and stress-free? Sounds great, right? Personal productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with simple habits anyone can use. Whether you're a student, worker, or business owner, learning a few basic skills can help you achieve more every day. Let's explore some simple tips that can boost your personal productivity right away. When it comes to personal productivity, setting clear goals is the first step. Here's the truth: when you know exactly what you're working towards, it's easier to stay focused. Clear goals help you understand what's important and guide you through your tasks, making it simpler to make decisions along the way. Without goals, it's easy to get distracted and waste time on things that don't matter. Next, here's an easy tip: make sure to take regular breaks. After working for 30 to 40 minutes, step away from your desk for 5 to 10 minutes. You can stretch, walk around, or even grab a drink. This short break helps refresh your brain, allowing you to return to your task with more energy and focus. You may not know, but these small breaks can actually improve your work quality and help you get more done in less time. It's all about keeping your mind sharp, and taking regular breaks is a simple way to do that. Now, here's another important thing to consider. Prioritize tasks. Have you ever felt like you have too much to do and don't know where to start? It can feel overwhelming, right? So, it's better to focus on the most important tasks first. Start by identifying the big tasks that have the most impact and need to be done urgently. For example, if you have an important project due tomorrow, work on that first before smaller tasks like answering emails or completing odd tasks. To stay really productive, eliminating distractions is also crucial. For example, turning off phone notifications, putting your phone on silent, or finding a quiet place to work can really help. The fewer distractions you have, the easier it is to stay focused and finish tasks faster. Plus, when you remove interruptions, you get into a good rhythm, which helps you work more efficiently and achieve better results in less time. Lastly, organizing your workplace also plays an important role in improving your productivity. Have you ever tried to work in a messy environment? It can be hard to focus, right? But when your space is clean and organized, it's easier to concentrate and get things done. Take a few minutes to clear up your desk, put things in order, and only keep what you really need. With everything in its place, you can move through your tasks more smoothly. By incorporating these simple steps like eliminating distractions, organizing your workspace, and focusing on what matters most, you can work more efficiently. Do you want to improve yourself even more? Check out our personal development courses and learn the skills that can transform both your work and life.